Ladies and gentlemen, you've never seen this one before. Jack and Coke shot glasses. Love it, love it, love it. Okay? Pour some Coke in our glass. Heat that bad boy up and then put some gelatin in it. Who's ever boiled Coke before? Be honest, none of you. Stir, 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 stir. Okay? Now, we get our glasses. Get smaller glasses, spray them. Okay, so now we pour in some Coke. So this is a glass within a glass. It's like the movie Inception, a dream within a dream. Okay, stick it in. Get a little piece of tape to hold it in place. See? And then fill it out. Bang. Bang. Fill it out. Perfecto. Okay? Put it in the fridge to harden. Once it's hardened, you take out the middle. You take out the bottom. And then you take a good look at it. Beautiful. Then we come behind that and we fill it with some Jack Daniels. Hey, Jack Daniels!